Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Celo.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Celo. This is not financial advice, so always do your own research. And hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
But before we get into the video, I just want to briefly run down what Celo actually is in case you don't know. So Celo is a platform acting as a global payment infrastructure for cryptocurrencies that aim to target mobile users. And their goal is for financial activity to be accessible to anybody globally. This is thanks to its ability for payments to be sent to and sent from any mobile number in the world. Which is a really interesting concept, and I'm also going to show you a few other concepts which are really good before we do get into the technical analysis, which is what most of you guys came for, I'm assuming. But if we look here at the market cap, as we can see, it's a rather big project. It's doing $1.2 billion in market cap, and it's done quite well in the past 7 days. And if we see its all-time high, it went to $9.82 6 months ago, which is 72% down from, which brings us down to its $2.73. So right now could potentially be a really good buy time, as it has a really good concept to it, and I really do like the project. So if we look into some of the other concepts, as we see here, low and multi-currency gas fees, so option to pay transaction fees in stable coins. That's a first, meaning you can send and spend crypto like everyday money for your gas fees, which is really insane because Ethereum, the price changes very quick and very volatile, but if you're using something like USDT, USDC to pay your gas fees, it simplifies things for the average user, the people that don't know a lot about crypto. It just tells them in dollar value. It makes it a lot easier for those people, which means more normal people could be getting into Celo, which is obviously a good opportunity for anyone that's holding Celo. Then of course you've got cross-chain interoperability, where you can build applications that enable cross-chain communication across a growing number of compatible chains. So this is sort of worked as like a bridge, which we're seeing in many projects at the moment. It's a very new thing that a lot of projects are implementing, such as Orion Protocol and things like that. So it's very good to have. And they've also got their own type of stablecoin currencies, such as CUSD, CEuro, CREAL, which is Celo. Obviously that's what the C is standing for, and it's all accessible via mobile and desktop devices. So that's all I've really got to talk about when it comes to Celo, so let's get into the technical analysis.
If we start from the weekly time frame, as you can see, Celo has made a double bottom, and if it goes any lower, this might be a sign that we may unfortunately enter a bear market for Celo, and that's not what we want to be seeing, especially from recent cryptocurrency performances. And it does seem like at this moment in time that we have been seeing weakness on weakness on weakness. Price was failing to go above these highs, and every time it closed above it, an immediate rejection would take place in surplus. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that massive wick up again. As you can see, we've been wicking. Every time bodies would close up again, that would manipulate everyone. It will drop again, go up again, it will drop again, go up again, it will drop again. This kind of gave us a lot of incentives that price was going to be dropping lower, and it kind of proven to the fact that it was only a matter of time till we do enter a bear market for this cryptocurrency. So at this moment in time, we can only expect bearish prices occurring in Celo. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see right here, we are making a slow and steady pump up higher, but this is not looking promising. Even though we are in an ascending ascending rectangle, that's actually a term. It is still looking quite bearish, just because we are most likely going to be breaking out lower rather than breaking out higher. Hourly time frame, we can see we are in this massive wedge right here, and it's not looking very promising at all. And even though we have got bullish flow, we have got bullish prices occurring, we've got retracements to higher prices, it is not looking quite promising, to say the least. And yeah, that's what we can say about Celo, and hopefully we can maybe get above here and then potentially drop down again.
So that is it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then we really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely rest of your day.